Welcome to a journey beyond Earth, beyond Mars, right into the heart of our cosmic colossus, the gas giant, Jupiter. This titan, with its mind-boggling size and mesmerizing storms, is more than just another planet in our solar system. It's a world in its own right, a captivating mystery that continues to surprise scientists to this very day. But what makes Jupiter so incredible, and what secrets does it hide beneath those swirling clouds? Prepare to dive deep into the astonishing world of Jupiter, a world where the unimaginable becomes reality. Did you know that Jupiter has a diameter of nearly 140,000 kilometers, making it over 11 times the diameter of Earth? In fact, if you took 1,300 Earths, you could fit them inside Jupiter, and still have room to spare. This is a planet so massive that it outweighs all the other planets in the solar system combined by more than twice. Imagine a planet so big that it actually affects the Sun's position in space. Yes, Jupiter is powerful enough to slightly tug our star as it orbits. But despite its colossal size, Jupiter spins at a record speed, taking just under 10 hours to complete a full rotation. Fastest spinning planet, but here's the twist: Jupiter, this giant, is also home to some of the most extreme weather in the solar system. Let's talk about storms. You've probably heard of the Great Red Spot, a storm so big it's been raging for centuries, and it's large enough to engulf Earth. Yet, this colossal storm is just one piece of the puzzle. Jupiter's entire atmosphere is a chaotic canvas of swirling clouds, dynamic bands, and raging tempests that have baffled scientists for years. The question is, what fuels these storms, and why do they behave so differently from storms on Earth? If you're as curious as we are, hit that like button and subscribe for more space mysteries unraveled. Scientists believe Jupiter was the first planet to form in our solar system, emerging from a cloud of gas and dust left over after the Sun's formation. What's mind-blowing is that Jupiter reached 20 times the mass of Earth in just under 1,000,000 years, an astronomical speed in cosmic terms. It was also the first planet to complete its formation, fully developing in just about 4 million years, compared to Earth's 100 million. This ancient history is still written in its atmosphere, which is made mainly of hydrogen and helium, just like the Sun itself. But here's where it gets even more interesting: Jupiter likely didn't form where it currently resides. Studies suggest that Jupiter was born 4 times further from the Sun than it is now, and that it migrated inward before settling into its present orbit. As it moved, Jupiter wreaked havoc, scattering countless rocks and planetesimiles. Scientists theorize that this migration is partly why Earth could even form. Jupiter's movement cleared out dangerous debris and allowed for the emergence of rocky worlds closer to the Sun. Jupiter doesn't travel alone, it has a whopping 95 moons, each unique and mysterious in its own way. Among them, one moon captures the imagination like no other: Europa. Europa is icy, covered in a thick crust of frozen water. But beneath this shell, there's evidence of a vast, global ocean, kept warm by tidal forces as it orbits Jupiter. Could this ocean be home to extraterrestrial life? Imagine an alien ocean teeming with life, light years away from our own. NASA's Juno mission is helping us understand these moons and their dynamic environments. Soon, the European Space Agency's JUICE mission will continue the exploration, taking us closer than ever to Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Imagine what we might find when we finally break through the icy surface of Europa's ocean. Now let's dive into Jupiter's most famous feature, the Great Red Spot. This anticyclone storm is the largest in the solar system and has been raging for at least 400 years. But here's what's truly baffling: it's shrinking. Over the past century, the storm has shrunk dramatically. From its original size of 40,000 kilometers, it's now just about 16,500 kilometers wide, still larger than Earth, but considerably smaller. Why is this happening? As scientists study it, they've noticed that the Great Red Spot oscillates and even trembles, appearing to shrink and widen as it drifts across Jupiter's surface. What's causing these pulsations? Scientists are still investigating, but many believe it may have something to do with interactions with other nearby storms or variations in atmospheric pressure. Jupiter's gravitational pull acts like a cosmic shield for Earth, attracting or deflecting comets and asteroids that could otherwise pose a threat. Without this giant protector, Earth might face impacts far more frequently. But there's a flip side. While Jupiter protects Earth, its gravitational might can also send objects hurtling toward the inner solar system, where Earth resides. So, in a way, Jupiter is both our guardian and our cosmic slingshot. What do you think? Should we be thankful for Jupiter, or should we be a little nervous? As we look to the future, Jupiter still holds countless secrets. With missions like JUICE and upcoming telescopes that will peer deeper into its clouds, we're on the brink of discoveries that could reshape our understanding of giant planets. Perhaps we'll find clues to the origins of life or reveal insights about exoplanets orbiting other stars. As our exploration continues, Jupiter remains a cosmic beacon, pulling us toward the unknown. Its presence reminds us that there is so much more to discover, and with each new finding, we're rewriting the story of our solar system. So hit subscribe to join us on this cosmic journey. As we uncover more about Jupiter and the universe, we hope you'll be there, one discovery at a time.